Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today is Wednesday and it's hump day. It's middle of the week and we're halfway finished with the week. So I hope you guys been having a good week. Well, today I am going to open a couple of friend mail and here they are. And I received them today, so I'm kind of excited about opening them and sharing them with you. And also, there's another thing. I never did get a response from the last winner of the giveaway, and that was the one with the secret word, dream. Yes, and I believe that was on the 16th. No, the 20th, I think it was that one, right? Yeah. And yeah, I never did get a response, so I'm gonna have to pick another winner. And I did do that, and I will go ahead and put the clip inside this video as a commercial break, and so you guys can see who won this time, okay? And so if you're interested in seeing those couple of things, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. So here we are, and let's get going. But before we get going, you know I discovered a new app. I have no idea why I never looked for these apps. And some of the apps, I mean, there's so many of them out there that I was like, oh my God, which one is the best? So, but good thing is they have trial periods, like 3 days free before you commit. So I found this one app called Motivation, and you can set a motivational quote to come into your phone, I think up to 20 times or 24 times a day. I think that's every hour, right? 24 hours. And so I did go ahead and download it, and I want to share, and it changes every time. You can just, you know, swipe up and it will change. And so I'm going to go ahead and share one with you. And this one here, of course, my background is going to be beautiful wildflowers. Yeah. What else is it going to be? So today it says, this year can be your best year if you make the decision to be consistent and hold yourself accountable. Okay? This year can be your best year if you make the decision to be consistent and hold yourself accountable. And this is a good time of the year for that, right? Because almost the year is over, so you can really start planning for your next year to be this saying here, right? And so starting January 1st, this year is going to be my best year. And so what does it mean? I mean, you have to make the decision to be consistent, right? That's really important. And being consistent means sticking to what you set yourself to do every day. And you should really have some kind of a schedule so you can be consistent. I get it, life happens, and you know, my job actually is very inconsistent because of the nature of my job. And so although I have my better laid plans every day, if something happens, I have to drop everything and do an investigation. And that's the nature of my job. But I'm consistent in my planning. I'm consistent in how I'm going to do that investigation. I'm consistent in knowing who I'm going to talk to. And also the fact that I do it with accountability. That's a really important thing, is being accountable. And my life is that way too. I mean, I post a video every day, and I try to, and I have the whole year that, you know, I've been with YouTube, except for that 5 days when I moved. But that was planned. So, but it's really important that you say to yourself, I'm going to be accountable to myself. That's what's the most important, guys. In your life, I mean, if you're not accountable, guess what? Nobody's going to suffer except for you. And the key to being consistent and being accountable is doing everything with intention. I am going to intentionally do this with thoughts, with forethought, and really think about the afterthought to see what can I learn from this journey that I just went through, okay? And so really, really important. And, you know, I live in organized chaos, okay? Regardless, it's chaos. My life is chaotic, but it's organized because I demand it to be that way. Otherwise, I can't move forward. I can't move sideways, and I can't move back, definitely, but do I want to stay where I am? Do I want to be stationed here? No, I want to move forward, right? And so I have to organize my chaos. And I do so by, you know, keeping track of everything I do and holding myself accountable. If I say I'm going to record a video every night for my beautiful wildflowers, I do that, okay? No matter what, I do that, unless I plan not to do that. And of course, life is life. And when I moved, I missed 5 days, but that was planned. But I had other intentions to do the move, okay? So it's really important. It's the same with relationships. Everything I give you, you can relate it to your work life, your personal life, your social life, your love life, whatever, okay? So really think about it in your life. You want this year to be the best. Be consistent in everything you do, okay? And take accountability for yourself. Okay. That's enough of that. But I like this app, guys. You know, it's an app. I don't think there's a link to it, but I can put the name of the app. It's called Motivation, and it's really good. It has this. It's like this. It looks like that, guys. I don't know. Can you see? It's like it's got quotes on there. So yeah. So that's the best one I've found so far. And yeah, let's see. So anyway, I got these 2 great friend mails. And before I do the reveal the winner, I'm going to go ahead and open these, okay? And this one here is from Leanna Dalton, and she is also a fellow YouTuber, very sweet. And I am going to go ahead and link her below, and I want you to check her out. And if she is somebody that you're interested in seeing, subscribe to her. And yeah, grow your channels. So let me see. You know, it's orange, so I'm going to assume that it is a Halloween maybe, but let's see. What do we have? Okay. Oh. Okay, it says Happy Halloween. There you go. Oh, and there's a cat on there. It's such a cute little cat. I love it. And bats. You know what? It's weird because I like bats and cats. And let me see if I can show you. You see on my nail there? I don't know if you can see on this one here. I have like a moon and a bat. So, yeah, I like bats. Go figure. Okay, let me see. Oh, there's something in here, but before I do that, I'm going to read the card. It says, Hi, Alexis. Happy Halloween. Here is a magical eye mask. Let's see. Perfect for Halloween. If you decide to use the mask for a Mask Monday video, please use hashtag mask with me along with the normal hashtag. This mask is embedded with tons of amazing positive affirmations to brighten your day along with your under eye. Okay, it says, today is such a special day, just couldn't let it get away without a little card to say, have the best Halloween ever. Okay, Leanna, there it is. So cute, so very cute. And here it is. This is, you know what? I saw Stephanie with something like this, but she had a bat, and this is like a cat, so that's perfect. And I believe this is made in Korea. Yes, it is. And it is a, let's see, carnival look eye gel mask. Okay, it's sexy leopard. See, I love all kinds of cats. So thank you so much, Leanna. And you guys check her out. I'll put a link below. And I know she does some really neat videos. So yeah. And also I like her picture on there. She has these like skull, like a hands that are skull, and she's pressed like that. And so yeah, very interesting. Okie dokie. Let's see. My next friend mail is from Robin. Hi, Robin. Okay, let's see what she sent me. And she is one of our fellow beautiful wildflowers. And let's see. Okay. Oh, this looks handmade. I think this is a handmade card. It is. Look how beautiful. Wow. Yeah, it says handmade by Robin. Look, that is so cool. People are so creative. Me, no. 10 thumbs. Yep. It says, Dear Alexis, thank you for the lovely gifts. I like to share with family and friends. I love the 111 skin. I will be watching your channel. Hugs, Robin L. Aw, thank you so much, Robin. And she put a little pink ribbon there. She knows I like pink ribbons. People are so perceptive because I put pink ribbons on the end of some of my comments. Yeah, so look at that. Robin, thank you so very much. This is beautiful. You're so talented. And I'm not. Okay. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. 2 great friend mails. Just brightens up my day. And now, to brighten up somebody's day out there, like I said, I had to pick another winner because, yeah, I waited. I checked the email every day. I checked my my DMs every day on Instagram, and it didn't get back to me. And it's been well over, I usually get 48 hours, but it's been well over 72 hours. And so, yeah, and that's just counting the weekday, and I didn't even count the weekend. So, yeah, so I have to be fair, and I have to pick a new winner. But if you're interested in seeing who it is, here it comes, a commercial break. Okay, here we go, my beautiful wildflowers. As usual, I did go ahead and copy and paste the URL to the proper box here. And then I chose filter duplicate users so everybody has a fair chance. And the third thing I did was I filtered comments based on a specific text, and it was dream. And so let's try this again and see what we get. Okay, there are 25 comments. Can't remember if that's increased any. I don't think so. And so let's go ahead and come over here, and we are going to pick a random user. Elise Lopez. Okay, Elise, you have to say congrats on getting those boxes for review. The clips of your cats playing does remind me of a puppy playing. The dream journal is very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and see if you are subscribed to me, Elise, and I believe you are. I see you enough in the comments for you not to be. Okay, let's see. We will go to your channels, and I know, oh, there I am. That was quick. I was gonna try a new trick that Elisa actually told me about it, but I guess I don't have to because here it is. Congratulations, Elise. And you know that you have 48 hours to get in touch with me, so that way you can give me your address where I can mail your journal to you, okay? Alrighty, back to regular programming. Okay, congratulations, Elise. Well deserved. And you know what you have to do? You have to reach out to me within 48 hours and either email me your address or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is in the details tab as well, but it's Haute, Haute .modesty. And as soon as you do send it to me, I will go ahead and try to get it out to you, but definitely by the weekend because I go to the post office on weekends. So, okay, again, congratulations. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, you know I still have a giveaway out there, and I will be doing another one soon, and I'm thinking about doing a surprise one out of one of my videos and just picking no comment, just picking anything random from a comment, no word, and just go ahead and do that. I think I'm going to do that as well, so that should be coming up, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell and then select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend whenever you're watching this, and that does not matter. But what does matter though is that you remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.